Anybody who drives a car or a truck will know that fuel prices have shot up in the last couple of weeks since the Americans and the Israelis started attacking Iran. Well, the latest AA Ireland fuel price survey shows that the average price of a litre of diesel is up 18 cents in the last month, and petrol is up 8 cents. Many people will know that prices are touching €2 and are moving up and down on a daily basis at forecourts. But the AA Ireland survey puts the diesel price at $1.90 on average around the country and petrol at about $1.81 on average around the country. Now, this survey was conducted nationwide last Wednesday and Thursday. It's all due to what's happening in the Middle East with crude oil prices over €100 a barrel. And also, don't let us forget that the Exchequer takes a heck of a lot of money when you pay for petrol and diesel at forecourt. Something like 60 cents in every euro paid by motors goes back to the Exchequer in terms of taxes, levies and other charges. So that's little wonder then that there have been calls for a cut in the excise duty on petrol and diesel, similar to what happened 3-4 years ago when the Russians invaded Ukraine. 20 cents was cut from the diesel price and 15 on petrol. That'll probably have to happen again. It's really only a matter of time because the taxes and levies and other charges on petrol and diesel, they're so high that the government is actually collecting more money now than when it did before the crisis. So it can well afford to cut the excise duty on fuel, and that would be some small relief for motors.